Hi there, my name is Randy Fay. I'm one of the maintainers of the DDEV project, and I want to show you our new coder.ddev.com experimental DDEV in the cloud project. This is kind of a replacement for what Gitpod used to do for us, which was great. I'm going to log in here with GitHub, and I'll copy the code, open and paste. Logging in as DDL test, pasting here, and you see it shows the permissions, read-only access to email addresses. I'm an authorized coder for this login, and now I can go back here and we're in. Here we are in coder.ddev.com, and I'm going to create a freeform workspace which has traffic. I'm going to call it D11 test. I have a Drupal 11 project that's easy to use, so I'm just going to create that workspace. This is spinning up a workspace that has the has at least most of the Docker images already pulled. It does a pull through cache for them. So when we get this up, we can just create our workspace. You see that we have a terminal link here for a web-based terminal. There's also many other ways to use the terminal. We have VS Code Web, which is a web-based version of VS Code, and VS Code Desktop. So I am going to use the terminal here, and I am just going to git clone I'll just do a DDEV start on it. I usually say no on that because the information is not very useful on discarded websites like this. So this is a startup just like anything else you would normally do. It does have a post start that does a composer install. So we'll see how that does. As you remember, it told us that in the logs here that what we needed to do was, after we have cloned the project, we should do a DDEV coder setup. So we will do that in a moment here when it's ready. And we'll do a restart. Coder setup just sets up the traffic routes that we need. So I'll do a restart now, and we should be able to use this as we want to use it. It'll show us the routes now that we've got the coder set up in there, and it does those automatically once we have that set up. So it added a config.coder.yaml with the configuration that helps it to work with the right routes on Coder. Now here's our information here. We can go to the D11 test project here, or get Mailpit or XHGUI. So I should be able to click this, and it has the install that we want. I should be able to do a DDEV drush si-y demo umami dash account pass equals admin, and I should have a full-blown Drupal installation already ready for me. I can also we'll do it once this is done. I'll just demonstrate it right quick. There's our install done. I can also use this DDEV web link here, and that'll open up the new project for me. So there I am. I can log in. It's admin there because that's what I gave it. And I can also use VS Code Web here. So I can open up VS Code in the web version just like you would have in GitHub Codespaces or the old GitHub. And we can go ahead and use the normal techniques here. Okay, it wants us to open the D11 here, so we will do that. And now we have all the things that we want, and also Xdebug works out of the box in here, so you've got all the things you want. So that's it. You can try that out. For now, it's open to everybody, and it's hopefully going to be useful at the Contribution Day at DrupalCon Chicago. So these are these workspaces are they persist. Your data in them persists until you delete it. They auto stop after 5 hours, but you can restart them. Looking forward to seeing how it works for you.